Hello everyone, it's Hannah on FaceGoodWorks, and today I will be showing you how to make a DIY Starbucks Keto Caramel Frappuccino. It's long, but it is so good. Let's jump right into the video. So you're going to need coffee cubes or chilled coffee, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, heavy whipping cream, xanthan gum to thicken it up and make it like a nice, delicious frappuccino, and sugar-free vanilla torani syrup, sugar-free classic caramel syrup, half an avocado, and you're going to need a blender. So this blending cup is only 24 ounces, but we're not using that much. We're using 12 to 16 ounces. You'll need 6 coffee cubes, or you can do 1 cup of chilled coffee with 1 cup of ice. I just find that coffee cubes are a lot faster. We'll be filling the almond milk just over the ice cubes, or about a cup of almond milk, then top it with an 1/8 to a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, depending on how runny you want it to be. Then you're going to get a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and then scoop half your avocado out from the sides with a big spoon and drop it into your blender. Here comes the best part. You're going to pour 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free caramel syrup, which is about 4 pumps at Starbucks, into your cup, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar-free vanilla syrup, which is like 2 pumps of vanilla at Starbucks. Then I like to shake it and pulse it 4 to 5 times and mix it for 30 to 40 seconds on low to medium speed, just to let the xanthan gum thicken up into that Frappuccino consistency. Once it's blended, we're going to give it a little shake, and I have my trusty Starbucks cup so that we get some Starbucks vibes going on here in quarantine, because we all know if you go to Starbucks now, you might die. I'm making this video to save your life. So that's all, folks. This Frappuccino is so good, and it's so filling for us keto people who need our fat. This has just been my go-to drink when I'm feeling hungry, or maybe in place of a cup of coffee. I will have the recipe and my social media info in the description below, so go check that out. I really hope you guys try this out. And if you do, DM me on Instagram or tell me in the comments section below what you guys thought of this and what you think I should do in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.